Bonjour everyone, Madame Blue here. Welcome back to my channel. As you can tell from the title, we are doing a natural sew-in today. So I did not record the shampoo process because of the ring light and phone stand that I had. I did not have a ring light that I can plug up anywhere. So all of my services do come with a shampoo conditioner. So I did shampoo condition as you just saw. I did the braid down and put a net on. I always use a net unless my client has scalp issues, then I will not use a net on them. Now this curl pattern was so pretty. Every time I do a sew-in or any type of hairstyle that I like, I all of a sudden want that hairstyle. So this was Italian curly. She sent me a picture. I sent it to a couple of my vendors and they both said it was Italian. One said Italian curly, one said Italian wavy. So I ended up getting it from one vendor, which is vendor 1. If you don't know, I do not sell hair anymore, but I can still get hair from my vendors. And also my vendors list is for sale on my website at www.madamblue.net. So it's vendor 1. And the reason I got it from them is because vendor 3 did not have the length she wanted. She wanted 30 inches. So this is 2 30 inches, a 28-inch bundle, and then I used most of the 24-inch bundle. And yeah, I'm just on a traditional sew-in. I am, if you can notice, laying the tracks in a like U shape or a smiley face shape, and that is because she didn't really want any edges out. I did leave a little bit of edges out because I just do that when I braid, but I want the tracks to fall a certain way, so I want them to fall toward her face. That's why I'm laying it in this pattern. I kind of want to start selling hair again. There's various reasons why I stopped selling hair. One of the main reasons is I was just noticing changes. Since COVID happened, there have been some strange things happening. So I was just like, and also I used to sell virgin hair. The vendors advertise it as raw hair, but it's virgin hair. And I wanted to start selling raw hair. So I'm like, I don't know if I want to do both. Whatever, it was just, I just was not liking what was happening, so I was just like, no. But I do miss selling hair, and anytime I have to do like get a special request, I have to make a wig or get the hair from my client because they don't want to deal with ordering hair, they just want to give me the money. I just send them an invoice and I take care of ordering the hair, so you know, it's fine. Now this hair, I'm assuming it's going to be high maintenance because curly hair usually is, so I did tell her how to take care of it. With curly hair, there's various ways you can take care of it, but the most important thing is you have to detangle it all the time and make sure you can condition it. Make sure you do conditioning. You want to treat it like you would treat your own natural curly hair. So I did give her tips on that. And one thing I wish I would have done was, which I did not have a spray bottle, but I wish I would have sprayed down each bundle as I got done, because once I washed the hair, it did dry in its natural state, and it dried in a good state. But once I unraveled the bundles, of course I manipulated the hair and I made the hair get really big and really frizzy. So I wish I would have sprayed down each bundle so that it could dry, what's the word I'm looking for, dry in a state that would not be later altered, so it wouldn't be as big, which I like big hair. She loved it. It was for her birthday. She's like, oh my god, this is birthday hair. It was fine, but me personally, as far as the finishing of it, I wish I would have done that. And I said that because it would have been easier. You will see once I get to curling it to blend in her leave out, I have a very small wand curl. Now the wand curler that I have is the type that you can change out the barrels. So I used my smallest barrel because I knew that the extension here was the curls were kind of tight, and I wanted to use a barrel that will blend her natural hair in with the extensions. So because I only had that very small wand curl, when I had to go throughout the hair, I thought I was gonna just have to touch up the top. Basically, that's usually what I do when I have deep wave hair. I usually touch up the top bundles because it just blends in. But for this, I had to touch up a lot of it. So while I was doing it, I was thinking to myself, I should have wet this hair down so that by the time I got to the top, most of the other hair would have naturally dried in a different pattern and I would not have had to use that tiny wand curler the way I did. It was fine, but in my mind, that was just something I was thinking like, oh, I should have done this differently. And I do double the tracks until I get to the very top. Either the very last track I would not double, or the last 2 tracks I will not double, because I do want to do as full as possible. Now, as I said before, it was 2 30-inch bundles, a 28-inch, and a 24-inch. Now, usually when you have 30-inch bundles, you do want to get at least 4. So I did suggest that she get 4 because she had two 30s and a 28. Sorry, I'm stuttering, y'all. Sometimes the hair can be thin because the longer the hair, the shorter the wefts, and sometimes you just don't have enough wefts. So I recommended that she get 4 bundles just so we would not run out, because again, I had to order this hair from my vendors. It was not like we can just go to the hair store and match the hair. So I wanted to make sure we had enough. So she had a little bit left over, which is okay. And another video is sped up, so it's moving pretty fast, but you can see how small that wand curl is. And once you start curling the hair that's not curled, it's very obvious that the hair is not curled. That's why I had to go in and not curl all of it, but curl most of it. And I didn't really have time. I did have time to curl most of it. I had an appointment in between my next appointment. Like, I squoze in my little cousin, because you know how family do. But I was like, oh my god, am I gonna have enough time to do this whole thing? I would not have done the whole thing anyway, because my wand curler was just too small to do 4 bundles. And also because it was so small, the hair that was 30 inches, it was hard curling that hair and fitting it on the rod because the hair was so long. So that's it, guys. I just pretty much went throughout the hair and got any parts that was excessively frizzy and curled it up, and that's it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please be sure to subscribe, share, like, comment, let all your homies know about the kid, and TTYL.